All right, we're here on the Phi Phi Islands. We just arrived a few moments ago and just gonna make a quick video to show you what it looks like and walk around the streets. It's very touristy as our first initial impression. We haven't seen any motorbikes or vehicles since we've gotten here. Like I said, it was only a little bit ago, but on all the streets we've walked through, it's only walking streets. So this is pretty much the main street. When you arrive here, you take a right out of the marina. Right out here is where you arrive. So the pier right out there that we came from, just took a ferry from Koh Lanta, and this is the view from the harbor pretty much. Again, this is where you get off the pier. The pier is directly out there. So here's a map of the Phi Phi Island. We're right over here, and we're gonna go walk all the way across up to a viewpoint that overlooks the whole island for sunset. You can see it's pretty small. Alright, so we actually haven't gone through all the way to the other side to see this side of the island, so it'll be our first time right now. Não. O barco já deve estar para ali. Wow. It's pretty sweet. The water does recede back a lot here too. Crazy.
I bet it comes up to like right around there.
Yeah, definitely up to here during the day. At least it's all sandy. So this island is really tiny. We're pretty much walking through the entire place in this video. So we're gonna head up to a viewpoint right now, which I think is directly up at the top of that mountain. And you're supposed to be able to catch spectacular sunrises and sunsets there. And then you can see an overview of the pretty much entire island where we were just walking through. And apparently on this side of the island it's just lined up with bars, and they do like a beach party every single night from 8 p.m. till 1 a.m. So they'll have like a fire show, happy hour, all that kind of stuff. Oh, this is where we walked originally. Oh, okay. So we've been here before. And you can see how small it is then, since we've already walked this street. So this is definitely the bar area. So originally, before we arrived here, we expected the prices to be a lot more expensive than the other islands that we visited. However, we realized that it's actually pretty affordable here. For instance, the water, I just bought a 1.5 liter water bottle, and it was 25 baht compared to 14 baht where it was in Koh Lanta. And beers were 60 baht compared to 58 baht at our previous location. Fruit shakes were also 60 baht, which are just smoothies, and mango sticky rice was 50 baht on the street. And you could also find pad thai meals for about 80 baht. So overall pretty affordable and a lot less expensive than we expected for such a luxury destination. So one thing to note is that just like Phuket is mispronounced Phuket sometimes, the Phi Phi Islands are commonly pronounced Phi Phi. So if you ever visit here, just know it's pronounced Phi Phi Islands. So we're nearly to the top of the viewpoint. Here are some houses that are tucked away in the mountains on the way to the viewpoint. So you get all the way up here and it turns out there's an entrance fee. 30 baht. Would have been good to know. So, pro tip for anyone who's visiting, it's only $1. But fortunately we have money.
Oh my god, can you imagine if it came with no money?
I'd be pissed. No alcohol allowed around here. Fine 1,000 baht.
One, two, tea.
Two.
For two, 60 baht ค่ะ Thank you very much.
Thank you.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
So now we've finally arrived after a moderate 40-minute hike. Final step.
J'avais montré plutôt là, devant, à Copenhague.